It's another day for another tutorial. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to blend images with background with Pixellab. Alright, let's get straight to it.
So this is the image I'll be using for this tutorial. What we are going to do is blend this image with the background. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is reduce the size to make it fit however I want it. So I'll just reduce the size.
Once I've gotten my size, then I'll add a shape. Then I'll add a gradient color to the shape. So I'll select color for the first size of the gradient and use the eyedropper to select the same color as the color of the background. I will repeat the same thing for the other parts. The only difference is that this time I'm going to reduce the opacity to its lowest. So I'm going to have something like this. Yeah, then you place it under the image that you are trying to blend with the background. If you look at it now, it looks as if it's already blending with the background, but it's not perfect. So you then copy and adjust it, then place over the first gradient overlay. So you have something like this. It's still as if it's okay, but it's not really okay. Just copy and repeat the same process. You can even make it bigger to make it blend well. Now, if you look at it, you'll notice how perfect it is. It is way better than the first time. You can hide the layers of the gradient to notice how it was before and how it is now after. Even if you unhide it, you see the difference. Although you can leave it here, this is how clear, this is what the tutorial is about. But I just want to show you how you can make it better if we were to place a text on it. So we could just edit our text to happy man or something like that. Yeah, this is the text I'm going to be using, and I can't just use it like this, so I'm going to change the font. Oh, sorry, I'm going to change the font. And by now my favorite font. My favorite font is Mont. I'll check my recent to see if I used. No, sorry, I have not used it. So I'll just search for it here, Mont, and I'll select Mont. And if you want to get Mont, you can check the link in the description of this video, and you get the Mont font. So now you can just place your text over the image and you see it blends better than if the gradient overlay was not there. Yeah, to test it, we even hide the gradient layers to see the difference of how it would be if the gradient overlays were not there. You see how it is? It does not really make sense this way. So we can unhide it and you see the difference. So this is how you can place text on top. But if you feel you want to add more text, look at layers. If you feel like you want to add more text, just add a new text layer and edit to whatever text you want. So, although I already have some things on my clipboard, so I'll just copy and paste. Yeah, although it's a dummy text, it does not really make sense here. I just want to use it as an example. So I'll first of all reduce the size, then I'll change the font to Mont. I'll also change the alignment to the middle alignment. So let's just do all that and we'll place it at the bottom. Now, if you look at it well, you notice that the text is affecting the other text, like the happy man text. So instead of merging all the layers and move it, you just use the select layer option and select everything, and you can move them without merging them. So in case you didn't know this before, you have learned it today. So you just raise it up or move it to wherever you want to move it to, and that's it. So you just place it, and that's literally everything. So once you do this, then you've been able to successfully blend the image with the background. So you can try this with any image, whether it has a background or it's a transparent image, and you'll get the same result. So that's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So that's how it is done. If you like that video, don't forget to follow for more.